Is he your brother?
Yes, that's my lovely younger brother.
No. He can't be your brother. No, it's impossible. No.
How do you Kasa?
Seaman. So after you chop my girl Amanda finish, you don't want to chop my sister too, eh?
Stigo. How do you Kasa?
This man here they chase my girl Amanda.
Whatever. Who him son no man miscan and live you no. I don't know Kasa.
I don't care. I don't want to see the two of you again. Period.
Hey, my friend, get out! Hey! You are tempting the Seaman. And if you tempt the Seaman, you will see the wrath of him.
We are going to see the wrath. Okay, wait, I will come. Seaman, get out.
Hey.
Get out! Are you mad?
Seaman!
I say!
Seaman! Seaman! Seaman, go!
I thought Baji.
Yeah! Me and Kuratana.
Minyon Queen. Tina me band the name be
a jable. Okay. What should we find?
Na me ni we dwuma. Na we nya benyin. Nti maye ya ne dedan. Ona na me pede mpe e. Opede benyin no odon. Be na samodo mo be ka bia. Opede na nkotin, opede obia baba no ho. Na nkotin sende obuan. Nti maye ni yaman. Nti ana me ne ba.
Mini enesmo. Esmo komi wa. Flo ba kuti ene le un shiete. O ba so hin o han le. Ki aye pe o kele gbe na. Eye ene ko ba twale. O ba no wa yi. Ba lo wa yi.
What is that?
I love you, Jasmine. I love you.
I love you.
Is that you? Come on. No. Are you see, baby?
Stop this.
No, I love you, Jasmine. I love you. Come on, catch me. Catch me. Let me hug you.
Seaman,
Wow, no. Oh, no.
Jasmine. Maybe I do a calculation. Maybe you still cry.
Esther. Stop this. I have good news.
Good news.
Yes.
Okay. I love good news. Tell me about it. Catch him.
Okay. Seaman has rented a place for me. A beautiful apartment for that matter.
Wow! Oh, I'm so happy. At least you have your own privacy.
Of course.
Oh. Now my friend is no longer a squatter.
Esther, That wasn't funny.
Don't mind me. I'm just happy for you. That's all. I'm just happy. So tell me, when are you moving in?
Did you say moving in? I can move in anytime, any day, even now. Cause I've got my keys. What is it?
Anytime, any day, anyhow, anywhere. With which personal belongings? Jasmine, you don't even have a bed, furniture. In fact, chance was this mumpo in Yibi. What's a pain? I know what she chance was this mumpo in Yibi. Until you are moving in with which things? Hey, sister.
How come I didn't think about that?
Oh, you didn't think about that. Now we refer to tears we nyawoza. It's tears we nyawoza. They bear to the word to the mama. They bear to the word to the mama.
Esther, that is an insult.
Whatever. Please.
Whatever to you, I won't mind you. So what do I do? How do I go about it?
And it's still in you, my baby. Name it a high dynamo. Iraba. Hey, and I papa can catch up upon what I tell you, mamma. Oh, my no way crash. Now, Baba feeling dynamo.
Esther.
Oh no, but sometimes you don't have to let me say everything to you. Just ask him, he will buy them. What's the bizarre? No, the bummer. That is the efficacy of Obaje's jam. What's the bizarre? No, the bummer.
Everything.
Everything. And I'm going to be mom.
So should I call him?
I push no go. Bibi achi that will push you. Bibi achi that will push you. Me push you in quay. Me push you quay. Ow. Mimi, here mobile. What's your sweetie? Na me don't be any demand on you. What did they be achi that want be no mama?
Hello? Seaman. I want to see you.
But why didn't you come inside?
How can I come inside? You know I'm off today.
Manager is in his room. Think about my inside. It's okay, it's okay. I can see happiness waiting all over you.
Of course.
Tell me. You were so happy on the phone. Tell me.
Esther, we went to the furniture showroom yesterday and he bought everything I needed to start the room.
In fact, he will buy them. He must buy them and he will even buy more. About Thomas when you second paying Obebo Bosia no that so Sunday Obejane Drenehu Dam not. Yes, I'm happy for you.
I never knew life could be this easy.
Oh,
Esther, how can I thank you?
Don't worry. After all, we are friends. What are friends for? Don't worry. Now, so what is your next plan?
Plan? I don't have any plan. Do you?
You mean you don't have any plan?
No.
Listen, let me tell you. Seaman is now a project. And you must always have a plan for him. You don't have to give him a space to think for himself.
What do I do next?
What will you do? All you have to do is to just have a full control over his body, mind, soul, everything. That is all you have to do. Listen, his family, friends, relatives, they are always interfering in you too. So all you have to do is just take control over him. That's all. That is all you have to do.
And how do I do that?
Simple. Just ask him to move in with you, as I said earlier. Ask him to move in with you.
Esther, He has a wife and children.
Oh, a wife and children. Who cares? All you have to do is to concentrate on what you want to do. Please, just concentrate on yourself. What you want and what you want to do. That is all you have to do.
Okay.
Children, kids, here and there and all that.
I have heard you.
Oh.
I am going to do just that.
Good.
And even more.
Oh, that makes me happy. That makes me happy. Oh, my sister.
I'm happy, my dear.
Oh, this thing is becoming so interesting.
More than interesting.
Oh.
And I am enjoying it. Just look at me now.
Everything is turning around for you.
No. I'm going home.
I have a whole lot to do, so...
Okay. I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright, I'll see you. I'll call you this evening, okay?
Call me.
Okay, bye-bye.
Me de many can't show. What is it?
It's tickles.
Okay. So, me de many can't show, Jasmine. Me who say, oh, fe. O restaurant in the tintino. Meta free plate in the mo. O restaurant in the tinte. Ah, meta free plate in the mo. Wadiani yamide. Wadiani yamide. Meta free plate in the mo. Obeya yo. Woo! Obeya yo.
You know, you are the most caring person I have ever met in my life.
Wow. And you know, caring for you is my calling. I tell you. So, whatever you want, tell me and I'll do it for you.
Oh, really?
Lovely.
I see. But I'm not happy with Seaman.
Why? Any problem? Tell me. And let me see if I can do that for you. Whatever it is.
Are you sure?
Oh, come on.
Ever since I moved into this house, you have never spent the night with me. You always leave me and go. And I feel so lonely being alone here. I'm not happy about it.
Anyway, I'm sorry. My name crashes idea you were dream. Eh? It is hope as a day.
Really?
Yeah, catch me.
Okay. Pesa ukofi. Now pack you near me na, and then move in here with me.
When?
Now.
Right now?
Of course.
Says here?
Yes.
Who? You mean it? Oh, are you sure?
I said now.
Boom. Hold it.
Put it down.
Wait for me. Sit like this. Don't get tired. I'll be right in. Right now. I'm coming.
Don't keep me waiting.
No.
Poppy, don't keep me waiting.
My queen. No way. I won't keep you waiting. I'll be here right now.
Okay.
Whew.
Hey, before that, get me some water to drink.
Chilled one?
Very chilled.
Whew. Okay.
Oh, God. Life is sweet.
Hey, Seaman. Good morning. Bacha, what to say? Me bacha, what to go?
Afahu, I don't know, Mamma. No, me Membrano. Come on, get out. 2 minutes so cry, my book.
Oh, where them patrol when you before?
I just before the day. That's someone baby sabi there. Madam, I don't want any trouble.
Patrol. Why?
When the small sabi baby sabi, come on, clear off. I don't know pass up crosser. Mr. Family to get out.
I asked him so sorry.
Ah. I don't cry a bit more mano. Anna. Obi call the baby afa. Obi just next time you see what I'll do.
Good morning.
Morning, I think.
I'm here doing tomato bread.
Sugar na butter.
Baby butter.
Keep a phone.
Fashine.
Yeah. Mini rubber. I think I make it.
Oh, woman make it to be a
Fakosa. Oh, fine girl. Chama rubber too. Aye. That's you. I know toy. Hey.
See Caron here.
Hey. Nana Patu there. Morning.
Oh, it's sweet to say.
What's up?
My flower won't father.
Oh. Sa phone there with me bag mo. Say me do bia me no bia.
Oh, dey ya my phone mail. Ya my phone mail. Wa ka wo dodo. Na anya bia wo kun to say.
Oh, no yeah. Okay. No yeah.
Fie. Ah. Me wo kun no pay ya.
Seaman.
Na wo Seaman no pay.
Me on nam collect no any nyoma.
Ah. Debbie. Me who street no so baby. O parking nyama gu ka mu. Anya bia on crowd to gwan.
Oni baby akọ. O kon ya na anti jo no pray dem me kunu idi aden. Eh,
Baby sabi. Me hu no. Ama ma ben. O parking nyama bi gu ka mu anya ne o marketwa. E say bags a ye bi tu kwan kasa.
eh.
Me say, me ben no. Na me hu ye. Nya say me wechi meka to say no.
Sa?
Me ben no na me ko bisa na sem say. Na anya bi o tu kwan. Me ka say bi o kosi. O be ti me awi o.
Ah, asema na oni making.
Hey, see my be ti me awi. E na me start say me frɛ o. O mfa.
O packing your magu kem.
Nyama na me hu nya nne na obeba.
We are sure say won me kunu. Ko mi jan wo fie no ndware epo na mi jan wo fie ba sure.
Sister me see me
hu. En kasa bebre mami friend.
Hey.
Awe dey em say dai so me. Hey, on fa o. Ma. Omo so say won na won. Ah. Switch off.
Yo.
Wo me kunu.
Me say many ya gani nya say say me say.
Sanche me ba. Na. Oba ne. Ba kwa bi anyo no mi ahia maba mi nko na ahia maba. Ye nko. Mi kunu. O tu kwan.
My queen! Woo! Woo! Ah! My queen!
My puppy!
Finally! I told you. Yes. Come on. Lovely. I told you I'll be coming soon. And that is it. You are dead tonight.
Are you sure?
Oh, we're glad you're here.
Give me a kiss.
What?
Give me a
What of kiss? All over your body. No, wait.